Hello everyone, this is Extreme Otaking with another unboxing. Yay! Finally arrived to my house. Well, actually, it arrived on Friday, but I was very busy studying French. So, yeah, right now I'm gonna proceed to open the box. Yeah, as I was telling you, I was studying French, and today I had my proficiency test. I think I did well. I like that language, so I can visit the countries where they speak French, such as Canada or perhaps Paris. Yeah, so let's open the box, and I will first take all the packaging out. Let's see. Yeah, so I bought three things this time, and I show you right now. So let's check it out. Yeah, the first thing I'm gonna show you is the strawberry marshmallow OST. I am very excited to getting this one to complete my collection. A while back, I got the complete series from Sentai, including the OVAs, and this is my second physical release of an OST. The first one was a movie from the movie X Driver. So let's open it up with the knife I got there. Yeah, well, to be honest, I was planning on getting several OSTs from different series. Right now, I'm thinking on getting the Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood OST. It has three CDs, but I think I'm gonna have to import it and buy it from CD Japan. You know, when you buy from Japan, it's kind of expensive and that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to save a little more so that I can get them. Yeah, overall, I like physical releases, as I was telling you. I'm kind of old-fashioned, but yeah, it has more, I don't know, feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, I like to have the CDs and the cases with me, so I can play it on my stereo. Yeah, and this was a pretty awesome OST because the music is so relaxing. If you watch Strawberry Marshmallow, I'm sure you will know what I'm saying. This OST has 21 tracks from the TV series, and it was released back then in 2005, if I'm correct, by Exteme Entertainment. Wow, we have a lot of good series right now from Genion that are currently released by Funimation, except Fate Stay Night. That one was released by Sentai, or re-release. I gotta find that out. So yeah, I'm trying to take out the plastic there, and there is the front, the Strawberry Marshmallow original soundtrack. Let's open it up, and there we have the disc. It has a interesting disc card. And yeah, that was the first volume of the DVDs back then when Geneon was releasing the series. Unfortunately, I couldn't I couldn't find the rest of the series, so I just gave up on getting that at that time the series until Sentai re-released it and rescued it. So yeah, as I told you, this has 21 tracks with all the four main characters: Chika, Miu, Anna, and Matsuri. So yeah, that's it for the soundtrack. So let's check the next one. I had to put that aside. And yeah, I got the Girls Panzer film that is released by Sentai Filmworks. I was really excited on getting this one because with this my collection is complete, and I really was looking forward to watch this one. I'll probably watch it during the weekend because tomorrow I might do something with my family, or will be July the 4th. So yeah, there I'm trying to take the plastic out. So yeah, that's the front of the case, and then I proceed to open it up. Sentai does a really good job with their releases, even though they are simple. They have really good with discard and other stuff inside as an extras. But yeah, that's the front. This is the back, and now I'm opening the case to see the discard. So yeah, that's the discard from both DVD and Blu-ray discs. I really like more the Blu-ray discard than the DVD discard. I don't know why. Well, actually, both look good. They put more priority in making the label for the Blu-ray. So yeah, the next one is Snow White with the Red Hair Season 2. Yeah, this anime is extremely romantic. I so recommend to all of you watch it. The dub is extremely well made, and the characters are so charming. I finally got, this is the second half of the series, and it will lead you to the so-called, or you can say the finale of this series. It was made by the animation production was made by Bones, so it has a really good animation. There, I opened the case. It has a really good. The inside cover looks really good, and the discs, the DVDs and Blu-rays look the same. The same art. They have the same art as the first season. And there you have Zen and Shirayuki in the other side cover. So yeah, that will be all for now. Thank you very much for checking this channel for my unboxings. I have one more item that I pre-ordered back in March, but unfortunately it got pushed back until August. So yeah, it's a PB. The only thing I'm gonna say, it's a PBS from Sentai. There's lots of PBS they are releasing, and they look really good. So yeah, that will be all for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. See you, bye!